Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to refresh your space with some amazing IKEA finds. Whether you're looking for stylish storage, cozy textiles, or those small touches that make a big difference, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into some of the best IKEA products to bring that fresh spring vibe into your home. And a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate you so much. As always, everything is linked in the description. So let's jump right in. GAFFELFIBBLA Cushion Cover is the perfect way to give your space a fresh, spring-ready update. The crisp white and deep blue print adds such a breezy, stylish touch to any sofa or bed. Made from sturdy cotton, it's soft, durable, and easy to care for. Plus, it's double-sided. That means 2 looks in 1. And when it needs a refresh, just unzip and toss it in the wash. FÄLTGRÄSMOTT Duvet Cover Set brings the beauty of a spring garden right into your bedroom. Designed by Johanna Skonmyr, this set features soft, breathable cotton viscose fabric that feels so smooth and cool against your skin. The natural fibers help regulate moisture, keeping you comfy all night long. And that bright multicolored floral design, total mood booster. Your bed is about to feel extra inviting. SLÖJSTJÄRT Tray is the perfect mix of style and function. Whether you're serving breakfast in bed, yes please, enjoying a cozy tea moment, or setting up snacks for movie night, this tray makes it so easy. The soft blue pattern adds the cutest touch and those angled edges. Super easy to grip. Lost Halt Utility Cart is the ultimate multitasker. Seriously, this thing does it all! Compact, mobile, and stylish. What more could you want? Use it in the kitchen for extra storage, in the office for supplies, or even as a trendy bar cart. Made from solid pine, it brings such a cozy, natural warmth to your space. And if you're feeling creative, you can even paint it to match your style. SLÖJSTJÄRT paper napkins are the easiest way to freshen up your table setting. That soft blue and white pattern, so stylish and perfect for spring. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a fancy dinner with friends, these napkins make any meal feel special. Style Deep Plate Bowl is here to make your meals more fun. The modern color block design, the rustic stoneware finish, it's so unique and stylish. Whether you're serving pasta, soup, or a big hearty salad, this piece brings serious personality to the table. And that tactile glaze, it gives it that handcrafted feel, perfect for everyday dining or special occasions. Trophist Storage Box in Lilac is a simple, stylish, and super practical way to keep things organized. Whether it's toys, books, or craft supplies, this deep, durable box keeps everything neat and within reach. And get this, it's made from at least 50% recycled plastic. So not only is it a smart choice, but it's a sustainable one too. It fits perfectly into Trophist storage frames, but can also be stacked with a lid. Organization has never looked this good. Mossmal Mug is the kind of cup you'll reach for every single morning. With its soft matte green finish and delicate speckled texture, it has that timeless Nordic-inspired look that just works for any occasion. It's generously sized, perfect for coffee, tea, or even a cozy serving of soup. And the best part, The sturdy shape gives you a super comfortable grip. Mossmel Plate Bowl Set is the perfect mix of elegance and practicality. This set of 3 stackable bowls, with that soft green matte finish and delicate speckled design, adds such a beautiful Nordic-inspired charm to any table. Whether you're serving tapas, snacks, or prepping ingredients while cooking, these bowls make every meal feel a little more special. And the best part? They stack neatly to save space. Golsudaire Pendant Lampshade brings a timeless, handcrafted touch to your home. Made of classic rice paper, this lightweight shade creates a soft, warm glow that instantly makes a space feel cozy. Originally designed in the 1960s, it's now part of IKEA's Nytillverkad collection, proving that great design never goes out of style. Whether in a bedroom, dining area, or living room, this piece adds an airy, effortless elegance. And I love it. Salad Skull watering can is so stylish and functional. You won't even mind leaving it out as decor. Its sleek, neutral design blends perfectly into any space, whether indoors or on a patio. And guess what? You can store water or plant nutrients in it, making watering your plants even more convenient. A practical essential that also doubles as a design statement. Bitter Gurkha Plant Pot is here to take your greenery to new heights. Literally! Whether you're growing fresh herbs in your kitchen or adding a touch of nature to your bedroom, this pot and stand combo is a total game changer. The clean, white design fits into any decor, while the built-in stand lifts your plants for an airy, elegant look. And let's be real, plants deserve their moment to shine. Place it on a windowsill, a shelf, or your dining table. Silver Hidden Frame in Gold is giving major, elegant vibes. If you love decorating with pictures, this is the perfect frame to create a stunning gallery wall. The matte metal-like finish gives it a luxurious touch, and with multiple sizes available, you can mix and match for the ultimate statement. Plus, the plastic front protection keeps your favorite prints safe while still letting them shine. Santa head frame in oak effect is a total must-have if you love a modern artistic touch. This extra deep frame lets you get creative. Place your artwork in the front for a classic look or in the back for a cool shadow box effect. How fun is that? Whether you're displaying personal photos, artwork, or a special print, this frame makes everything look more polished and high-end. Vattenkrasa watering can is so stylish, you won't even want to hide it away. With its chic ivory and gold finish, this watering can doubles as a gorgeous decorative piece. Place it on a shelf, a plant stand, or even your dining table. It's that pretty. But don't be fooled by the good looks. This little beauty is super functional too. Made from galvanized steel, it's built to last and protects against rust, so your plants get the care they deserve. And that's it! Some of the best IKEA finds to give your home a fresh, spring-ready update. Whether it's a cozy new duvet, a stylish storage solution, or just a small detail that adds a little joy to your space, these picks make it so easy to embrace the season. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And of course, a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are incredible, and your support means the world to me. Don't forget, all the products are linked in the description, so go check them out. See you in the next one. Bye!